You're welcome to another edition of Agricultural Science. Today we'll be looking at the types of farm animals. Farm animals are animals that are domesticated by man. These are animals that are kept because they are useful in many ways, such as the production of milk, the production of meat, eggs, which is used as food for man. Some of these farm animals include the ox, the cow, the pig, the sheep, the horse, the donkey, the goat, the llama, and then poultry animals are domesticated birds. Examples of these domesticated birds are the turkey, the duck, the goose, and the chicken, usually known as fowl. Now, the fowl is the most common type of poultry in Nigeria. They produce meat and eggs, which is used as food. The fowl is kept for the production of meat, which is also called broiler, while the one kept for the production of eggs is called layers. The adult male fowl is called a cock, while the adult female is called a hen. Now, other examples of poultry are the ducks, the turkeys, the guinea fowl, and the goose. The cattle, the adult male of cattle is called the bull, and the adult female is called cow. The young ones of the cattle are called the calves. Farmers keep cattle because of milk, meat, hide, and work purposes. Cattle are classified according to the purposes for which they are kept. Beef cattle are kept mainly for the production of meat, also known as beef. Examples of cattle that are good meat producers are the Muturu and Ndama. Dairy cattle are for the production of milk. Examples of cattle that are good for milk production are the White Fulani and the Sokoto Gudali. Work cattle are used for doing farm work, such as the tilling of the soil and carrying farm produce from one place to another. Examples of work cattle in Nigeria is the Sokoto Gudali. Sheep is a farm animal that is kept by farmers for the production of meat, milk, wool, and skin. The adult male is called a ram, while the adult female is called an ewe. The young sheep is called a lamb. There are different breeds of sheep, and they are the West African dwarf sheep. It's common in the southern part of Nigeria. Some have white hairs, some have black, while others have white and black combination of hairs. The Yankasa is mainly red in the northern part of Nigeria. They are mostly white in color and they are average in size. The Uda is red in the extreme northern part of Nigeria. It has two colors. There are white hairs at the rear and black hairs at the front end of the animal. Goat keeping is important for the production of meat, milk, mohairs, and hide. The adult male goat is called the billy or the buck, and the adult female is called the doe. The young goat is referred to as the kid. There are different breeds of goats used for production. Some of these breeds include the African dwarf, the African dwarf goat is found in the southern part of Nigeria, which are brown, black, or have multiple skin colors. The Sokoto red is common in Sokoto state of Nigeria. The goat is dark red in color and has small body. The Sahel or desert goat. The Sahel or desert goat is found in the extreme northern part of Nigeria. It is characterized with long legs and medium or large-sized body. Pigs are one of the domestic animals found in Nigeria and most parts of West Africa. Pigs are reared for the production of meat called pork and fat called lard. The adult male is called the boar, while the adult female is called the sow. The young ones of pigs are called piglets. Some breeds of pigs are now reared in Nigeria, include those that are native to Nigeria and the ones brought from other countries. Some of these breeds include the West African dwarf. The West African dwarf is kept by local farmers in villages and towns in the southern part of Nigeria. It lives in dirty environments and eats everything that comes its way. The large white is a native to America. It is white in color with average size. It is also resistant to trypanosomiasis disease and is found in the southern part of Nigeria. The landrace. The landrace is larger than other breeds of pigs. It has white hairs on its skin, with the ears pointing forward, which originated from Norway. Rabbits are kept for the production of meat and skin. The skin can be used in the making of fur garments. The adult male rabbit is called the buck, and the adult female is called the doe. Other breeds of rabbits are the New Zealand. The New Zealand could be white, red, or black in color, and is characterized with the color of its eye being red. The Dutch rabbit is white in color and has black colors around the eyes and hind limbs. The chinchilla is a type of rabbit that has ash-colored hairs and the belly is white. The California white is a rabbit that has white hairs and skin, but the ears, nose, and feet are colored black or colored. Fishes is one of the farm animals reared by farmers today. Fishing is an important occupation for people that live around streams, rivers, and other water bodies. Fishes are equally reared by farmers in ponds and tanks. This is to supplement the fishes caught in the natural waters for human consumption. Other common types of fish are the tilapia, the perch, the mud catfish, the carp, the salmon, the sardine, the stockfish, the barracuda, the mackerel. Now, donkeys are mostly used for transportation of farm produce and other materials. The camel is adapted to the sandy nature of the desert. The camels and donkeys have only one large toe and can move easily than other animals in the desert. The horse is a popular domestic animal used for sports and pleasure in Nigeria, especially among the rich Hausas and Fulanis. The animal has single-hoofed limbs which are suited for fast movement on a hard surface. The horse is therefore used for racing and polo game which require great speed. I am sure you have learned about the types of farm animals, and I'll see you in our next class. Do have a wonderful day.